In management, we have the 5 functions. What are that? First one, planning. Second one, organizing. Third one, staffing. Fourth one, directing. Fifth one, controlling. In last class, I already explained that is planning chapter. What is planning? Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, and who is to do. In planning, we are setting the organizational objectives very clearly and very specific, and these objectives should be understood by the worker because of to achieve that organizational goals. Planning in very simple, that is called, we have that point 1 and point 2. I want to reach point 1 to point 2. How it is possible? With the help of planning is called planning. Today in this class we are going to discussing second function of management, that is organizing. In organizing, meaning of organizing, definition of organizing, and process of organizing. Let us start with meaning of organizing. Organizing means translate plan into action. That means in planning we are setting that objectives. That objectives comes to that action is called organizing. Best example, I want to construct a building. Before constructing a building, I want to draw the plan, or I want to make it a sketch of building. How to construct? That is called plan into action. Plan into action is called organizing. Or else you are deciding to go for a trip. Before that, you have to make a plan. In what are the places we have to visit? After that listing out, you are coming to, or you are taking that action is called organizing. And next we have the definition of organizing. This definition has given by Theo Hyman. According to Hyman, organizing is the process of defining and grouping the activities of the enterprises and establishing authority relationship among them. Is nothing but, I already explained that is, it is a process. Process is nothing but a series of steps to be undertaken. That means some steps to be undertaken, but also of defining and grouping the activities. That means first we have to identify the different activities in organization. Suppose we have the different activities, finance activities, production activities. We have to group that activities of the enterprises, establishing authority relationship among them. There's nothing but only the one boss should be in an organization, and whom is report to whom is called authority relationship among them. And coming to that, next we have that organizing process. Here I already explained you that is process is nothing but a series of steps to be undertaken. That means when we call it as a process, some steps has to be undertaken. On that time only we can achieve that organizational goals. Here the management process, it is all the management process we can call it as a process because it ends with a word of ing. See that ing word, that means management functions, all that management function is considered as a process. Understood? It is not ended. And now coming to that organizing process. In organizing process, we have the 4 steps. What are that? First one, identification and division of work. Second one, departmentalization. Point number 3, assignment of duties. Fourth one, establishing reporting relationship. Let us discuss one by first one, identification and division of work. That means I already explained in a second chapter, according to NBFIR, we have to divide the work to the different people. We have to make it as a very easy work in an organization. That means in organizing, what it is, identification and division of work. That means this is the first step in organizing process. First we have to identify and we have to divide the work as per predetermined plans. In plan, what we have decided, according to that, we have to divide the work to the workers. Understood? And also, those manageable activities. Along with this, we can avoid the duplication and burden of the work we can share to the different employees. Is called identification and division of work. Second one, departmentalization. Once work has been divided into small and manageable activities, and those activities we have to identify the similar nature, which are similar in the nature. That similar nature we have to make it a group together, is called departmentalization. Once again, we have to identify the similar nature, that all that similar in the nature we have to make it a group together. This process called departmentalization. For example, here similar is east, west, south, north. This all that similar, I have to make it as a group. What is that? Here, area. Understood? And also in product, we have the different products. That means a skincare product, healthcare product, different products. We have to make it a group or product. Understood? This is called departmentalization. Next, we have the assignment of duties. In an organization, we have the different work. That work has to allot to the different employees. With that, we can achieve that organizational goals. How you can allocate the work based on the skill and knowledge of the employee. And next, we have the establishing reporting relationship. I already explained in the definition. That means they should be having only the one boss who is report to whom, is called establishing reporting relationship.